What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to make a quick video about what tracker I would choose for my Bronco. This is my baby right here, and I recently started considering what tracker would be the best fit for my car, and there's a lot of options, and I want to talk about the ones that don't work for my car and why not all trackers are the same, why not all trackers are made equal. This right here looks pretty cool. Looks like spy gadgets, like a spy gadget, but this is an equipment tracker. It's perfect for something like that. That's just sitting there, doing nothing. I guess it should be doing something. I don't know. But anyways, this will last for 5 years. It gives you updates on movement. But, great tracker, by the way. One of our most popular units. But this is my daily driver. I drive it every single day. So there's no need for a backup battery like this. My car has its own power source, and it's always charged. It doesn't run out of battery. So what I need is something where if I break down, there's, limited resources. My girlfriend can find me. My fiance can find me. My mom can find me. This is the best option for my car. This can be hardwired in. So in case of a theft, I can conceal it under the dash, somewhere deep in the dash, or we can connect it with the OBD pass-through. It's a pass-through. So yeah, very good device. It's incredibly flexible. Not only I can set up geo-fences, I can have movement alerts, I can have overnight alerts, but I can also track it real time, and that's because I have constant power. The reason why this tracker can last for so long, it's because we're going to set it up where, just like this apparatus right here, this thingy-majigger, it's not moving, it's there, so there's no need for live tracking. We just need the last time it moved, or if it moves right now. That's what I would want to know with a piece of equipment like that. With my vehicle, I have live tracking. I have the privilege of having live tracking because I have a constant, limitless, forever lasting power supply until I decide to sell. Thank you very much. This is Claudio with GPS and Track, and I hope to see you next time.